5 months to the day after a deadly heroin overdose in Clark County, Christian Hauser shows us why an accused drug dealer is now facing the first of its kind charge.
This is the house where William Quickle died of a heroin overdose. His family still reeling from the loss. Now, the man investigators say sold him the drugs could be going to jail for his death.
Desiree Daniels was there the night Quickle's brother found him on the bathroom floor.
It was devastating. I was in shock for, I know, the first couple seconds, just like, what is going on? And he was just laying there, not breathing.
Quickle had just gotten out of prison when investigators say he met up with a dealer. Investigators say this man, Lucas Fowler, was the dealer. Fowler's charged with involuntary manslaughter for Quickle's death.
We're investigating those deaths as homicides. We're going to follow the leads where they take us, and hopefully by taking these drug dealers off the street and holding them accountable, we're saving lives.
Daniels and the rest of the family are happy to see him charged, but say it's bittersweet.
It's not going to bring William back, and that's the hard part. But I also, if this can stop one more person from having to go through this.
Almost everyone we talked with agreed with the manslaughter charge, but not Steve Morgan.
Because the person's choice of going and buying the drug, he knows what he's getting when, he buys it.
This case could be the first of many in Clark County. Sheriff Kelly says his office has other drug cases where those dealers could face manslaughter charges. Reporting in Springfield, Christian Hauser, ABC 22 News.
State Representative Jim Butler of Oakwood did propose a bill to create a murder charge for dealers who sell to kids, but it died in a Senate committee in December. No word yet if any similar bill is now being worked on.